Precision Tech Tool Kit Repair Kit 48-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set Electronics Repair Kit for Smartphone, Computer, Tablet, MacBook Pro, Watches. 48-in-1 Complete Solution Professional Precision Repair Kits, for iPhone, iPad, smartphone, tablet, computer, laptop, MacBook, eyeglasses, toys, watches, camera, game consoles, Xbox, PS, and most of electronics. High hardness and anti-rust made of S2 tool steel, hardness up to 60 HRC, tolerance, plus or minus 2 HRC, extraordinary hardness, superior toughness with high quality. Aluminium alloy handle with anodic oxidation process and special anti-slip treatment, turncap design. Magnetic design. The magnetic tip design brings convenience and wonderful user experience. Much easier to take down and reassemble the bits. Just need to select the bit that you need and put it into the hole of the handle, and the bit will be sucked tightly. The spinnable cap allows to push and screw easily. The non-slip matte surface, 360-degree rotation and the fingered rest design of the handle is all for added comfort. Portable alloy case design. Compact aluminium alloy case makes it easy to carry or store anywhere. Push button, for lock/unlock, design keeps all tools safe. If you have any questions, please contact us.